Good day to all. For this video, we're talking about the assignment 2 for the real-time programming, and my name is Ooi Jun Zhen, and the metric number is 278,466, and the lecturer is Dr. Zamli. So let's us move on to the coding for the public class.app. They contain the main method for run the program. So in the main method contain the Telegram bot API for the default bot section.class, and the Telegram bot API will register the bot for this Telegram bot. So next, public class S2 select 466 bot is contain all the coding to run the program. So we can see that the connection connection CONN is making the connection to the SQLite database, and the prepared statement is ST is to get the statement from the database. So for the public S27846 bot, this is the base constructor to make the connection to the SQLite database. So we can see that we use the SQLite database driver to make the connection. So now for this method is to get the Telegram bot username, then we'll return the Telegram bot username value. So next, public string get bot token is return the Telegram bot token to successful connected to the Telegram bot. So for this method is to run the Telegram will run when a new update is available for the bot to handle and to get all the user input from the Telegram bot. So we can see that when the user input the start, it will show all the message in the start command. If the user input for the book, the Telegram bot will automatically send the message to the user. Then other command for the users. So for this method is that to send the message to the user in the Telegram bot. Then for this method, we'll insert the booking data to the database. So we can see that the private void book room is will store the data in the array and then send the data to the database and store in the database. Then for this method, we'll delete the booking from the database, and we can see that will the system will request the user to input the staff ID to delete the booking. Then for this statement will delete the data in the database. So lastly, for this method is to get a list of the users that have booked the room from the database. So we can see that for this statement will show out all of the user that booked from the database. So next, for the UML class diagram, we can see that in this class diagram, S27846 book has content of two attributes, which is the prepared statement for ST and the connection for the cons, and will include all of the 7 methods. Then for the APP class diagram will contain the main method to run this program. So for the database, we can see that for the database has contained two of the table, which is booking table and the room table. For the booking table, when the user input all of the information, the user input will store into this booking table for in the database, which is the name, IC, staff ID, mobile phone numbers, and emails, and the purpose booking. Lastly, for the booking date and the times. So all of the data will store in the database when the user input the data. So let's move on to the room table. Room table has contained two of the room, which is room 1 for the conference room and the room 2 for the brainstorming room. The conference room, the max capacity is 30, and the brainstorming room is 50. The max capacity is 50. So in the database design, we can see that they have two database table, which is booking database and room uh, booking table and room table. So the foreign key for the room table is the purpose booking to the booking table. That's all in the database table. So that we need to run for the program to demo in the Telegram bot. Now, and when the program is run, it will show the connected to the SQLite database successfully. Then we can go to the Telegram to demo the Telegram book. So now for the first step, we need to press for the start. Then the Telegram bot will automatically reply for the message to the main menu. The user can choose the command in the menu button or just press in this command to get the reply from the Telegram bot. So now if the user input for the start, then the Telegram bot will go to the main menu. So for the next is the user press the book command, then the Telegram bot will request for the user to insert the all of the information. Then the user need to follow the format to reply for the message and cannot use the spacing for all the information. So example, this mean for the name, then the IC number is 80401 10/4813. Then for the staff ID 232323. Then for the phone number is 1567890. Then for the emails, then the purpose of to booking for the room is conference. The booking date for booking for this room, which is, example is 15 January 2023. Then the booking time is 15:30. And send uh, after send the information, the Telegram bot will automatically send a reply for the to the user, which is the message in your booking is confirmed and please check the booking in the list. So user can check the list to whether the booking is successful or not. So we can see that the Jasmine is successful booking for the room, then a list out from the database. So next, if the user want to cancel their booking, she or he can choose the comment in the menu button or just type in the chat box. So for the convenience, user can just click for the cancel buttons. Then the Telegram bot will reply for the message, and the user need to follow the format to reply the message to cancel their bookings. So for example, just now Jasmine need to cancel their booking, so cancel 232323. So we can see that the booking has been cancelled. Now for double check for the booking has been cancelled, so we can see that in this in the database have successful delete the booking. So we can see that the list of user didn't include the Jasmine booking by Jasmine. Last, this is all of the demo of this S278466 boot. Thank you.